Another special report tonight. There could be more trouble for the former Congress Goa Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, and in particular for his ex-ministerial colleague Churchill Alemao. The Goa police now is going to apply to US authorities to ask for more documents in the Louis Berger bribery probe. Remember, the US-based company has admitted that it bribed Indian ministers in Goa in 2010-11 for a project that it was working on in the state. The Goa government says it now has significant proof of the money trail. Mayuresh Ganpate on a story that could embarrass the Congress party.
Two top Goa Congress leaders under lens for Louis Berger scam. Former Goa Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and ex-PWD Minister Churchill Alemao questioned twice by the crime branch since a probe was ordered. 2 weeks later, police still hunting for concrete evidence that may lead to their arrest.
It will all depend on how much evidence we are able to gather against somebody. Arrest is something which you do only when you have sufficient evidence in your hands against somebody.
Though the Goa police chief has ruled out any immediate arrest, police are hoping to build a watertight case against the accused after getting significant proof from US authorities.
Anytime if so government decides, it can go to CBI because it has, international ramifications. There is a case connected in Guwahati, which is a different case for the government of Assam. So if the government of India thinks that it should be kept in like that, then it will be accordingly managed.
US firm Louis Berger allegedly paid $1 million bribe for a water development project in Goa. That included kickbacks to a minister. Money exchanged hands when Kamath was heading the Congress-led government. So far, two officials, a former director of water project A.M. Vachasundar and former Louis Berger Indian official Satyakam Mohanty have been arrested in the case. Goa BJP leaders are confident that the crime branch will soon nail all the culprits.
The investigation is going in the right direction, and the crime branch is doing a good job.
The sources within the crime branch have informed us that after recording the key witnesses' statement in Louis Berger case, now they have got the concrete lead in this case. But still, crime branch is looking for that one particular missing file which has all the details related to this particular project. In Panjim with camera person Kiran Sapkal, Mayuresh Ganpate for India Today.
Okay, let's go straight across to the man who's in the line of fire, Digambar Kamath, former Goa Chief Minister, now joining me on the news today. Appreciate your joining us, Mr. Kamath. Let me be very honest. Reports that we are getting are suggesting that you or one of your ministers, Mr. Churchill Alemao, could be arrested in the Louis Berger bribery case. Are you willing to concede today on this program that you were interrogated yesterday and that you have been asked questions that suggest 70 lakhs were paid to Mr. Alemao and 1 crore to you? Is that the question that was asked to you or not?
Rajdeep, after speaking to you last time, I checked up with the documents which were available, and I realized that this particular file of the project management consultancy has never come to me as the finance minister of the state.
Yes, but the fact is, sir, that Louis Berger had a major project in your state while you were the chief minister. They have gone on record to say briberies were paid to ministers. Are you today telling me that as chief minister you had no idea where the funding for this project was coming from, Mr. Kamath?
See, initially agreement was signed between Government of Goa, Government of India and JICA International. Under the terms of JICA International, each and every document has to be approved, concurred by JICA International.
Yes.
And only then it has to go to all the tenders used to go to the Goa State Works Board headed by the Chief Secretary. There were project management unit constituted with the JICA terms and conditions. There was a bid evaluation committee of 7 members which used to evaluate the bids, and all the process was done in the most transparent way as required by the JICA International.
Sir, you are saying that this entire project was done in a transparent manner, but the fact, Mr. Former Chief Minister, is that Louis Berger officials have gone on record in US court saying they paid bribes. An official of Louis Berger has been arrested. We were showing images of him when he was taken into custody. Now, why would officials of Louis Berger try to implicate your government or officials of your government if you claim that this deal was transparent? Obviously, bribes were paid, sir.
Some official made a statement in US court that they have given a bribe to a minister. They did not specify the name, they did not mention anything else. Now, as far as this project management consultancy tender was concerned, as far as I know, it was bidded at 118 crores. The bid negotiation committee brought it down to 75 crores after negotiations. And then after JICA approval, the file was sent to the State Works Board, which is the supreme statutory body to approve all the tenders. The files do not come to the finance minister as far as the tenders are concerned.
So you're saying the files do not come to the finance minister. You're saying as chief minister that you had no knowledge of any bribes being paid to your minister. Now you seem to be washing your hands of the case, because reports we are getting is that a money trail is being established, particularly to your former PWD minister Churchill Ademau, who has already spent a jail term in the past in smuggling cases. His name has cropped up. Are you saying that you had no idea that Mr. Churchill Ademau, as your PWD minister, may have been conducting private negotiations and seeking bribes in this major contract?
No, see, the PWD department was headed by him.
Yes.
And I had no role in even acceptance of the tender. That there was no role in the acceptance of tender. So where is the question of somebody approaching me and offering a bribe?
Sir,
I must have done some favor to somebody to accept a bribe. So
Sir,
there was no question of any authority given to me or any file moved for acceptance.
Sir,
that is very clear.
Sir, you were chief minister. Isn't there collective responsibility? Are you going to wash your hands off, saying if anything Churchill Ademau is involved, I have nothing to do with it? Is that what you are trying to tell me today?
No, I am not saying anything. I am only saying that this file has never come to me for approval. This is my categorical statement.
So the company agreed to pay. They have said this in the courts. Louis Berger has said in the US court, they paid a fine of nearly $17 million for kickbacks that were paid in countries including India. Therefore, I am asking you, do you concede that at least there needs to be now a thorough investigation conducted by the Goa police and possibly even beyond that, because of the nature of the scam and the monies involved?
My first day when you spoke to me, I had said, let there be a totally transparent inquiry. Let them get the papers from there. Let them get the name, whom they have paid. Somebody is saying they have paid a minister. Here, there are some officers are saying they have paid to two ministers. This appears to be all mixed up and moved in a vested interest. It appears to be.
Mr. Former Chief Minister, the crime branch has already arrested the JICA Goa project director. It has arrested a senior official of Louis Berger. They've been charged under Section 120B of the Indian Penal Code. For Prevention of Corruption Act, also provisions have been brought in. I want an honest answer. Do you today fear arrest? Are you planning to apply for anticipatory bail, as some reports are suggesting?
I have not taken a decision, but if required, I am just saying, because today just on the basis of some statement, just on the basis of somebody says that he has bribed, when I have no role in the clearance or the approval of the file, I really do not understand.
Let me ask you, the Goa police is now requesting the Goa court, sir, to issue a letter rogatory to the US courts to procure certain documents that are allegedly gone missing. Are you open to such a request by the Goa police, or do you fear being exposed if such a request is granted?
I have not taken a decision, but if required, I am just saying, because today just on the basis of some statement, just on the basis of somebody says that he has bribed, when I have no role in the clearance or the approval of the file, I really do not understand.
Okay, Mr. Chief Minister, you are insisting that you had no role in the clearance of the files. We will wait and see where this bribery scandal in Goa goes. At the moment, sir, it's an embarrassment for your party, the Congress, which is talking of fighting corruption in Delhi, but finds itself on a sticky wicket there in Panjim. Thank you very much, Mr. Chief Minister, former Chief Minister Digambar Kamath there joining me.